Over here.
What is?
Which way would you like to go? Over here. We're going over here.
Oh, over here.
Yeah. It's kind of a mess there. People. All the garbage. Going for a walk in the path, Leah June? Going for a walk in the woods? Oh, lots of mud. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, we don't want to fall in it, do we? Okay, keep on going. Ooh. Be careful to fall in the mud. Oh, it's kind of deep here, Leah June, don't you think? Or did you want to keep on going?
I want to keep going.
You want to keep going?
Wow. That's a little muddy. That's my footprint.
Where is your footprint? Right there. Wow.
I like it.
Where did you say your footprint was? Yay, right there in the mud. Our footprints. Wow.
Wow. That's so no, I should go this way.
What way would you like to go? Okay. We're going back. Okay, you're gonna fall. Okay, honey, come on, let's go out. She's right deep in the water. As you can see, Grammy was nervous. I'm going now. I'm going, so you're going to fall. Yep. We don't want to fall. Let's go over here.
No.
Come on. Grammy's going.
Footprint.
Footprints.
I want to keep going.
You want to keep going, do you? Okay, let's keep going.
What are these?
We're in the woods. We're in a path.
Wow.
And we're just exploring. Are you exploring, Leah June? Nature? Huh? Ooh, what kind of pond is that?
That's water.
Water. Ooh.
It's me. Come.
Please.
That's so much fun.
It is so much fun, isn't it? Say hi to everybody. Tell them what you're doing.
Hi.
Hi, she says.
Come.
Please. You want to keep going, do you? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There you go. Good thing you got protection. What way do you want to go now? Are we going to find our way, you think? This way? Okay. All right, let's go this way, she says. We're following the leader. She's a leader, aren't you, Leah June? Yeah, she loves leading. What happened here? Oh, yeah, our battery's going dead, I guess.